welcome back to Tom's Garage, guys. It is, good God, it is cold out here today. I finally got all the parts in to redo this deck on this MTD we're working on out here. Y'all check out my buddy Rick, Busted Knuckles. He's over in Texas. We're gonna get this deck back together, and I will get on it, boys. And what we've been working on, I don't know if I was clear about that. It's a MTD. It's a 46-inch. I'll show you the part number in case you guys come across one of these. The model number is 13A N771H729. And that is what we're dealing with. I got it all cleaned up. I just haven't cleaned the hood yet. But here is the deck right there. And I got these two pulleys from 810, two of these. And I got the drive belt. I got that from Sten's. It's 265222 from India. And the other actual spindle belt, I got it from D&D Power, and it's a 4L790. And we are going to get this thing put back together. Yep, I'll show you how I take it apart. You got to get that spring off of there. That other belt is still on there. It's spring loaded. So we're going to get on it. Alright fellas, the first thing I need to do is get this belt off here. This belt, it's got a tension pulley here by this spring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my eyes and hope I don't get hit in the face with it. There we go. There we go. Just get that loose. It's just a bolt with a little spacer. That's what the spring rides on. Right there. The next thing we need to do is I got to take this spring off here so that way the belt can come out from around it. And get that out of the way. I got to take this plate right here off. This plate is what actuates this spindle brake, so we'll get that out of the way. The only thing I have to do is figure out how this spring was attached. It was attached to the guard in a way that I don't know how it would rub that pulley if I put it back together like that. So that's one thing I got to figure out. Okay, this thing is loose. See how that goes. Get it off this pulley over here first. Around there. Gotta go around there. Around that. Come on, baby, come up around there. Alright, there it is. And let me kind of hold these out, make sure they're the same. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be the right one. So that belt, this old belt, in places, it don't look bad, but in places, I'll show you if I find a place. Like right there, see how that's just dry rotted? And you'll never know it. That thing's probably, it's a 2007 model tractor, so it's probably the original belt. Alright, put that on there like that, and goes around there like that, and it goes under there. Okay. That looks like, I don't forgot how the hell to get it off. We're going to figure it out too. That's supposed to go around like a cat right there. That goes around like that. That's what, you know what? I don't have it hooked up right. What did I do wrong? What did I just do wrong? Let's see. That's the back side. That's that side there. That goes around. That's supposed to go around that way there. Yep. Heck, I done forgot how I took it apart. There we go. It's going to go around there like that. That's going to tension it up. Yep, that's right. That's right. That's right. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and hook this spring back up. And then I'm going to work it on that pulley by grabbing the blade. A lot of pressure on that thing. Oh, good. Just take that away. You watch them fingers, boy. That damn it'll get you. Yeah, this belt there's a lot tighter now. Work it on there, boy. I don't have the strength I used to have. Whew. There we go. Whew. I just about kicked my ass. Let's see, it looks like it's twisted a little bit. There it goes. There we go, there we go. Whew. God almighty, it wore me out. Alright, let's put her back together now. Let's see, that's gonna go there. That's the shoulder bolt too, so make sure you don't pinch it under here. Because this thing is gonna have to be able to slide back and forth. There's that. Whew. Now, we're going to have to put that one back there. Okay, we got that. Check that jack stand, make sure this thing ain't going to fall on me. Ah, she's good. Oh boy. Let's see, this has got to go there like that. And then this pulley's got to go right there like that. But before you do that, make sure you get your belt on. That way. Let's see, that's got to go there, that's got to go like that. This one goes on the back side. That way. If you don't put your belt on first, you ain't going to be able to get it on because these clearances are so tight. That's what keeps it from coming off. Yeah, get that one on there like that. And that's got to come around there. Come around there like that. This one goes on the outside. That goes up to the engine pulley, and that's what does the whole damn thing. use another. That hole right there is acting like it's wanting to strip out. It sure is. Let me look at that right there. I think something wrong with that bolt. It is, that bolt right there is stripped. Let me hit pause. I'm going to find another bolt for that thing. It's just a 5/16 18, about 2 inches long. Alright, actually it's a 3/8 bolt. 3/8 16. It's 1 3/4 inches, so that's what we'll use. Make sure you get that in there like I didn't just do. There we go. There. I'm gonna put a lock nut on the bottom of that. I think that thread and that plate's stripped out. Now that's what we'll do. Well, I gotta go around the other way. Damn, it's cold out there today. It never hit 40 degrees down here. Never hit 40. That's a nice healthy sound. Yeah. Alright, everything's tight. Everything's tight and everything is proper. Alright, there's the deck. I'm gonna, I put tubes in them tires today. I know y'all didn't want to see me do that again. So I'm gonna put the deck on before I put the wheels back on. It'll be easier to get up under there and do that. Let's do that. I'll put the guards back on it. And like I said, the one trouble I was having was trying to figure out how that spring, because I didn't believe it went on back on like that. I don't know if you can see that or not. I thought it would rub that pulley, and I can almost get my finger in there between that. It's not rubbing that pulley. Evidently, I believe that may be the way. That just defies nature, but I believe that's the way it's supposed to go. When you disengage, it has to stop that. That way you don't want to spin the belt on the pulley there. So alright, I'm going to get this deck on this motor, boys.